In this lesson, I'd like to cover digitizing an area. The nice thing about digitizing an area inside a digital takeoff is it's all done the same way. For example, the way I digitize carpet for the master bedroom is the exact same way I would calculate the roof slope on a roof plan. This would also be the exact same way I calculate the square footage of a concrete slab in a foundation plan. Again, it's all done the same way. As I mentioned in a previous chapter, the layer that is displaying in the Layer Manager is your current layer. So what I've done is set my current layer to carpet, and I'm going to digitize the area of this master bedroom. Now there's two ways to digitize an area. There's area points and area rectangle. The first way I'll show you is area points. I'll select the area points icon, and I'll zoom into my master bedroom. Now what I'm going to do is just trace around this master bedroom, selecting in the corner. Start here, drag over to this point, drag over to this point, and all around this master bedroom. Now when I get to this last point, I don't need to go back and finish at my original line. Digital Takeoff knows that an area has to be a closed object. So I can either go up to Finished, or I can right click and go to Finished. Now once I have done that, Digital Takeoff is displaying that I have 222 square feet. Now if you prefer a different unit of measurement, you can simply go here, change the unit of measurement, and your area will update. One big advantage of using Digital Takeoff is being able to pull multiple takeoff quantities from one digitized image. For example, the square footage is good for carpeting or a ceiling area. However, if you're putting trim or maybe even crown molding, it would be nice to know the perimeter of the master bedroom. You can see the perimeter right here, 61 linear feet. To go one step further, Digital Takeoff allows me to specify a wall height. I can enter a 9-foot wall height. And you can see down here that Digital Takeoff calculates my vertical area. You can see the 3D preview over on the right-hand side. This vertical area quantity could be good for paint, drywall, or even primer. Again, all these useful calculations were achieved by digitizing one thing inside of Digital Takeoff. Now I mentioned before there's two ways to digitize an area in Digital Takeoff. The other way is done by area rectangle. We'll say we're going to put hardwood flooring in this great room. And simply go down, change my layer to hardwood, come up here and select area rectangle. Now what area rectangle does is allows me to select two opposite points and draw a rectangle. And that calculates my area. I can do the same thing in here. I can add a wall height, check my vertical area, my perimeter. You can see where area rectangle can save you time. Instead of going around here clicking 4 times, it's just simply 2 clicks and you got your area. Now to show you another example of calculating area inside a Digital Takeoff, I can open up a roof plan. Now if you look in here, there's no measurements, but I know 3 bays equals 4 feet. So I can set my scale by just clicking on 3 bays. Give it the 4-foot measurement and click OK. Now if I want to digitize this roof section, I can simply go up and select area points. Coming over and just checking on the different points of this area. Now I can right click and go to Finished, and it gives me my calculation of 373 square feet. The problem with that is a flat area. But with Digital Takeoff, I can put in a roof pitch of 612, and Digital Takeoff calculates my pitched area. Again, the same steps were used in calculating the area, it's just a few more tools that are packed inside a Digital Takeoff. Once again, it doesn't matter the type of area, digitizing is all done the same way. You will find in a later chapter that these calculations can be sent to Bid Builder, Excel, or another estimating program with just a few clicks of the button.